Hey guys, can you solve 5 squared minus 3 times 4 plus 2? Okay, 5 squared minus 3 times 4 equals 12 plus 2, right? Now 5 squared minus plus minus and 10, right? Now 5 minus 10 equals minus 5 and squared. Now 5 times 5 equals 25. This gives us a 25, but this is wrong. The exponent applies only to 5, right? Not to the whole expression. Exponents must be done first. So solve again. 5 squared equals 5 times 5 equals 25, right? 25 and minus 3 times 4 plus 2. Now multiply first, right? So 25 minus 3 times 4 equals 12 plus 2, right? Now 25 minus 12 plus 2, addition and subtraction from left to right. So 25 minus 12 equals 13 plus 2, and 13 plus 2 equals 15.